In this video, I will show you how to add bulletin to your text in Photoshop, different kind of bulletin without any stress. Let me show you how. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this particular layer right here. So next thing we want to do here is to make sure we come to the type 2 right here. Click and hold down, select whatever type 2. I'm using horizontal type 2. Okay. And the next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and click once. Then we are ready to type. So here we can change the font style. So click on here and look for another font style. I'm going to use Lato in this tutorial. Now this particular font here has different kind of font family. How do we change it? So come to the sidebar right here where you have font property. So click on the font family right here. I'm going to change this to bold, just like what you see right here. Now this particular font here, I can say love is good. Okay, now we want to enter the next paragraph and add a bulletin point for this. So what we want to do here is to come back to the type property right here. Come to the type property. Under the type property here, you just want to make sure you scroll down all the way down until you get to bulletin right here. So go ahead and click on bulletin. Boom. So when you click on bulletin, you see a bulletin has been appear to your type. You want to choose number, click on number, you see a number has been appear, and then you have different options right here, just like so. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and come back to bulletin right here. You have different style of bullets. You have this, you have this, and you have this. Everything depends on the kind of bullets that you like. So I'm going to go ahead and use this. The next thing we want to do is to simply press enter to move to the next paragraph. It automatically adds the bullet. So here we can say beauty, beautiful. Then we want to add another text, enter. Then we can say life. This time around we can say life is good. Okay, then we can press Ctrl A to select everything and reduce the font size, just like so. So when you reduce the font size, it go a long way with the bulletin, just like so. Then we can come back right here and decide to add another one. Enter. It moves to the next paragraph. So we can say bulletin point, just like so. So you can go on and add different kind of bulletin into your Photoshop. Press Ctrl A to select everything. So we can come back here and change the bulletin. Everything change. You choose this one, everything change. You switch back to the previous one, everything change. And on, just like so. So here you can as well change the color of the text to whatever color of your choice. It has no effect, just like so. So once you are satisfied, click on this check mark and you have your text being properly arranged with bullet point right here. It's that simple. So you can also change the color right here, hit on OK, and you are done. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about how best to use Photoshop, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.